Cathy Harris. Welcome to my backyard. My website is www.cathyharrisinternational.com. The website for the organic food movement is virtualorganicgardenclubs.com. Now today I wanted to show you my tomatoes and my peppers because I just pruned them. Pruning is actually another name for trimming. And you can see, I want to show you exactly what I did. I went to the strongest stem on my tomatoes. Can you see what I did? And I actually trimmed it. What it's going to do is going to promote growth. It's going to promote growth. So I trimmed everything down. I tried to even all 5 of the plants up. You don't really need to even them up, but you want to make sure that you trim them down, pruning them, in order to promote growth. I also went to the bottom of each plant and made sure that I had a 12-inch space at the bottom of each plant. What I did with the peppers was I pruned the peppers. So I want to show you what I did. Now right here, I actually have 3 different peppers growing, 3. And the reason I have 3 growing was when you plant your seeds, you want to put 3 seeds down at a time in case 1 or 2 of the seeds don't grow. It's going to increase your chances of getting a yield. So I actually put 3 seeds down. So, as you can see, you're looking at 3 plants right here. So I went to the stem and I trimmed it all the way down to the last leaf. Now, you don't have to go that far down, but when you trim your peppers, it's going to promote growth. Now I want to show you one that's not trimmed. If you look at this one, it's not trimmed, and look how leggy and long it looks. It's not trimmed. Now you have a lot of leaves at the top, and what's going to happen if you don't prune it down, it's going to start to lean over. See all the leaves on it? It's going to start to lean over. So you have to prune your tomatoes and you have to prune your peppers if you want to promote growth.